Hello students, today we'll study about pronouns and kinds of pronouns. So let us start. Look at the picture and read the sentence. Kamna and Rachna are sisters. Kamna and Rachna like to play. Now observe the change in the same sentence below. Kamna and Rachna are sisters. They like to play. So in place of Kamna and Rachna, we are adding the word, we are replacing the word they, which is a pronoun. Now let us see some more examples. This is Raman. Raman has a glass of milk. Now in place of Raman, what we are going to write? Now observe the change in the same sentence below. This is Raman. He has a glass of milk. So he is a pronoun. Next, the words they and he stand for nouns. Kamna and Rachna means they. And Raman, he. We are using they for Kamna and Rachna and we are using he for Raman respectively. Now, pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. So, what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. Now, we'll see some more examples. Raghav is a postman. He brings us letters. Raghav. For Raghav, we are using the pronoun he. Sarah is a trained nurse. She works in a city hospital. So for Sarah, we are using the pronoun she. I can't find the book. It was here on the table. So for the book, we are using the pronoun it. The children are in the class. They are shouting. So for children, we are using the pronoun they. So he, she, it, they, these are pronouns. So pronouns are words which are used in place of nouns. Now what are types of pronouns? Let us see. Personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, reflexive pronouns and interrogative pronouns. Now let us understand one by one. Personal pronouns. Now, personal pronouns stand for a particular person or a thing. As we had studied that proper noun stands for a particular person, place, animal or thing. So, personal pronouns stand for a particular person or thing. Now, what are kinds of personal pronouns? First person, second person and third person. For first person, we use I, me, we, us. Like I am a boy. This book belongs to me. We are going to the mall. This car belongs to us. Like that. You is for the second person. Like you are a good boy. This book is yours. Okay. And for the third person, he, him, she, it, they, them. Like we had done, the children are the children are shouting in the class. They are reading. Okay. And he for the third person. Raman is a boy. He has a glass of milk. Sita is a nurse. She works in a hospital. So this is third person pronouns. Personal pronouns, they have three forms. Subjective pronoun, it is the doer of an action. Objective pronoun is the receiver of an action. And possessive pronouns shows to whom the things belongs. Okay, now let us see some more examples. Study the table. For subjective pronoun I, objective me, possessive pronoun mine. I, me, mine. We, us, ours. You, yours. He, him, his. She, her, hers. It, its. They, them, theirs. So let us do some exercises. Tick the correct pronouns in the following sentences. She loves her toys or his toys? Her toys. She loves her toys. Number 2, my father rides his bike. For father, we are using his. I am a child. Do you have a storybook? The bird is sitting on a tree. It is singing. Raghu has a plastic bottle. It is not allowed in school. For plastic bottle, we are using it. We are going to the market. The girls are dancing. They are on the stage. The books are on the table. They are on the stage. My mother loves me. Okay, now next exercise. Rewrite the following sentences by replacing the nouns with personal pronouns. Rohan is in that room. Rohan is sick. So Rohan is in that room. He is sick. The teacher looked at the students. The students are studying. The teacher looked at the students. They are studying. For students, because there are many students, so we are using the pronoun they. This is a storybook. The storybook has pictures. This is a storybook. It has pictures. I have a pet dog. My father gave the pet dog to me. I have a pet dog. My father gave it to me. That is a hill. The hill is far away. That is a hill. It is far away. Hari is my friend. Hari is tall. Hari is my friend. He is tall. Nancy is a singer. Nancy sings beautifully. For Nancy, we are using the pronoun she. Nancy is a singer. She sings beautifully. The contractor is at the site. The contractor has a helmet. The contractor is at the site. He has a helmet. The cattle are grazing in the field. The cattle are here and there. The cattle are grazing in the field. They are here and there. The eggs are in the nest. The eggs are white. The eggs are in the nest. They are white. Now, fill in the blanks with suitable possessive pronouns. This book belongs to me. It is mine. That cat belongs to you. It is yours. These pencil boxes belong to the boys. They are theirs. The frog belongs to her. It is hers. This is Samarth's shirt. It is his. So these are personal pronouns. Now let us see demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those are called demonstrative pronouns. Like, for example, this is a flower. This is a school bag. That is a star. That is a hill. These are books. These are cups. Those are jugs. Those are rivers. So this, that, these, those are used to indicate or point out things or objects. When we want to indicate or point out some things or objects, we use this, that, these, those. For things which are near and in singular form, we use this, like this is a flower, this is a school bag, this is a table. But if the things which are near are in plural form, we use these. These are storybooks, these are tables, these are trees. Okay, but for far off things, and if it is in singular, we use that. That is a hill, that is a bird, that is a rainbow. And for far off things in plural form, we use those are stars, those are jugs, like that. Now, hence this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. Now let us do some exercises. Fill in the blanks with the correct demonstrative pronoun. This is a dog. These are my fingers. Those are paddy fields. That is a bird. These are my toys. These are my shoes. These are sweet mangoes. This is a big bag. That is a book. Now we are indicating which is the thing which is far. That is a book and it is in singular form. This is a mango. Now, choose the correct word from the brackets and fill up the blanks. These are my candies. That is a beautiful rainbow. This is a leaf. Those are storybooks. That is a huge mountain. So, for nearby things, if it is in singular form, we use this. And the things which are nearby, and if it is in plural, we use these. For faraway things, if it is in singular form, we use that. For faraway things in plural form, we use those. Okay. Now see the next pronoun. Interrogative pronouns. The pronouns who, whom, which and what are used to ask questions. Like in interrogative sentence, what is an interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. So what are interrogative pronouns? Who, whom, which and what are used to ask questions. So they are interrogative pronouns. Now, who and whom is used for persons. Who is used for subject. Whom is used for object. What is used for things and which is used for persons or things to make a choice. Like which is your favorite color, which is your favorite movie, which is your favorite food, like this. Now examples. Who is your English teacher? Who is that old man? Whom did you meet in the office? What is the color of the sky? Which is your pencil box? Okay. Now see the exercise. Who is your family doctor? Which is your shirt? Which is her frock? Whom did you find in the office? What is your name? Who are these people? Whom do you see in the camera now? What is the color of leaves? What is there on the table? What is your mobile number? Now make one question with each of these. Who? Who is your class teacher? Who is your father? Whom? Whom did you meet at the station? What is the color of the sky? What is the color of your hair? What is the color of leaf? What is your name? Which is your favorite food? Which is your favorite movie? Okay. Now next, reflexive pronouns. We use reflexive pronouns when the subject of the sentence does something itself. When the subject, you know what is subject and what is predicate. We had already studied in the first chapter. So subject and predicate you know. Now for example, the boy finished all the milk himself. When the subject of the sentence does something itself, then it is known as reflexive pronoun. The boy is the subject and himself is the object. Himself, both are same person. In the above sentence, we have learned that the boy is the doer of the action and is also the receiver of the action. Himself is used for the boy only. Hence, the word himself is a reflexive pronoun. The pronouns myself, himself, herself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, itself, themselves are called reflexive pronouns. Now, let us do some exercises on reflexive pronouns. Fill in the blanks with suitable reflexive pronouns. The teacher wants to meet the students herself. Now, herself is used for the teacher only. Grandmother wishes to walk by herself. Hero of the film did all the stunts himself. The students want to decorate the room themselves. Have you written this poem yourself? The girl washed the clothes herself. I like to do it myself. Children manage to open the door themselves. The dog has hurt itself. We are going to the market ourselves. So, this is the pronoun. So, kinds of pronouns. So, what are the kinds of pronouns? Personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. So we have studied all the 4 kinds of pronouns. What are pronouns? Words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. So learn the definitions, revise the exercises of all the kinds of pronouns.